go. Like, you can be buying laptops if you're comfortable with, taking things apart. You're very technical savvy. You can make money off anything. You can find these in the garbage. Like this here, someone needs a power button that's dead. A lot of times these don't really break, so they're usually good. And like I said, I know the power button works because it kind of powers on. The motherboard's dead, or maybe the CPU or something on the motherboard's dead. So even this has value. And for the again, the people collecting stuff, little tiny board, some cabling. So that's that. Now we should be able to pop the top off. So we're getting there. There you go. A few more screws. Oh, laptops. Plenty of screws. There you go. Some cables we have to remove. Try not to damage this ribbon here, which is the one for the screen, because I'm going to sell it with the screen. People like buying them with the screen just because they don't have to, or it just makes troubleshooting their problem easier, because let's say your screen doesn't work very well, but the problem isn't like a broken screen, for example. It could just be that the cable, the ribbon there is no good, so they can just change it. If I send it to them, they'll only have it and they won't have to spend any more money. Tough to get out.